Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for new uploaded videos. Today's review is sponsored by UpTown Wigs. UpTown Wigs carries a variety of hair products, human and synthetic lace front wigs, extensions, hair pieces, and hair accessories. So now what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Now today's review is going to be on Vivica's natural Brazilian Swiss lace front wig, and her name is Atlantic. Now Atlantic has these beautiful waves on her. I'll tell you, the name fits the wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what Atlantic looked like before I've added products and before I've shampooed her. And then I'm going to give you my thoughts on this wig. So what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. Now this is the cap construction. She has the front Swiss lace. I'm loving the hairline. And she has the pure stretch cap on this one. Look at that hairline. I'm loving the hairline on this Brazilian Swiss lace front wig. It's got that soft Swiss lace and it has these beautiful waves. Oh my goodness. Atlantic is the perfect name for this wig. Now she's 100% Brazilian Remy human hair. She has the deep Swiss lace. She has 2.5 hand-tied Swiss lace, okay? And that's the parting space you're going to get on that front. Yes. And as you graduate on down, you know, the parting space becomes smaller. But yeah, that's enough parting space for me. But loving the hair texture. Now the color is natural. So she's unprocessed, so you can color this one. She's human. You can do, you know, what you want to do as far as that, as far as changing the color. Now I was just brushing her, showing you brushing some of the waves out. This is her straight out of the packaging, and you can wear her straight out of the packaging, but I decided to shampoo her. But that's the loose hairs that I got out from that first brush. And so she is handmade or either machine made, so you're going to get some shedding. Now this is her after I have shampooed her and added products. And the products that I've added, I will place them down in my description box. Now this cap, I'm not a favorite of this pure stretch cap. So now we're going to put this beauty on. So keep watching. I just saw in the beginning of the video what she looked like straight out of the packaging. And now this is her after I have shampooed her, added my products. And so now what we're going to do is talk about this beauty just a little bit, okay? Now this is how much of the parting space you're going to get. We have added our favorite powder to make it look a little bit more natural on that Swiss lace. These are my baby hairs, but you can also add baby hairs in this lace front wig if you decide that you want to do that. Now if you're not familiar with Brazilian hair, it's just like Malaysian hair. Brazilian hair is a thick texture of hair. This hair likes a leave-in conditioner, okay? Most thick texture hair need that moisture. You have to remember, this is human hair, it's donor hair. It is no longer secreting any type of oils. So you have to give this hair what it needs, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the cap construction on this beautiful wig. Small, medium, and large, you should be able to wear this one. And this one is big head friendly. So if you have a lot of hair, you will be able to wear this one really nicely. Now, I did not tape or glue this unit down, but you can because it has the soft Swiss lace. Now, I did a review on how to apply your lace wigs, so definitely click on the card above to see that review in its entirety. The application is flawless. That video got a lot of views, so yeah, definitely check that one out. So the method that I used was the elastic band method. Yes, guys, that was more simpler and easier for me because I can take my wig on and off. I wasn't obligated to this wig for one style. But I did a review on how to sew the elastic band onto your lace, and so click on the card above for that review, and it will definitely help you out on applying your elastic. Now, my only con about this wig cap is the adjustments. They fit into the adjustment holes, but when you're stretching it, it leaves a gap, you know, an opening in between the cap. I don't like that, so I sew my adjustments down on my cap. Once I have found where it's comfortable for me, I sewed the adjustments down, and guess what, guys, I also did a video on that, and so all you have to do is click on the card above and see that video in its entirety. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is do a 2 weeks update on this Swiss lace front wig from Vivica's Natural Brazilian collection, and let you know how she's holding up. Now, you can find this one from Uptown Wigs, okay? So click on the link in my description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.